Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 300. The Chrysler 300 combines sport and luxury in one unique and powerful package. If you're looking for elegance and performance, the 300 delivers and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, USB connection, heated front seats, fog lights, electronic stability control, brake assist. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.